The state of North Carolina is hoping to increase their COVID-19 testing to at least 5,000 people per day. And one local company says they have the ability to do that. CBS 17's Holden Krowicki spent the day inside their Level 2 biolab. He joins us live as they work to ease coronavirus concerns.
Well, that's exactly right, Angela. When a lot of people think about the fight against coronavirus, they probably don't think about Vance County. That's because countywide, there are still less than 10 cases. However, there are people working inside this lab around the clock to make sure that people across the country stay safe.
When COVID-19 spread out of Asia and Europe and into the United States, Mako Medical Laboratories Vice President Steve Hoover admits he didn't know what to think.
I think like anybody, we probably got caught a little bit flat-footed. We didn't know the degree to what it was going to go.
It took Mako technicians 2 weeks to devise a test. April 3rd, they processed their first 20 kits.
I think the biggest misnomer is testing is not available. We have testing available. We're raising that capacity on a daily basis.
3 weeks later, they're processing roughly 30,000 tests per day, with goals to increase up to 25,000.
We're probably running about a 10% positive rate on the batches we run.
That's allowed Mako to expand from 50 employees on one shift to 3 shifts working around the clock, with plans to add up to 120 more workers to meet the demand.
We've been able to turn most of our results within 24 hours because it really doesn't do our clients any good to extend out that turnaround time.
Initially, their work was done inside prisons, nursing homes, and hospitals, though that business model has evolved.
It's growing to a lot of businesses that are seeking to reopen now.
As states across the country weigh lifting stay-at-home restrictions, Hoover says they're all asking the same question.
How do we reopen if I'm a business? What does that plan look like? What is retesting? And I think we really need to come together on what that plan looks like. And there's not one lab that's going to be able to handle all this volume.
Mako tests every employee at their Henderson facility once a week for coronavirus, just to make sure that everyone is staying safe. To this point, no one has tested positive for that virus. Live in Henderson, Holden Krowicki, CBS 17 News.